In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the TikTok password. I will walk you through the process step by step, so make sure to watch this video until the very end. If you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's move on to the video. Open up the TikTok app. Once you open the app, tap on Profile on the bottom right of your screen. Now from this section, tap on three lines on the top right of the screen. Now again tap on Settings and Privacy. Now in here, tap on the very first option, Account. After that, tap on Password option. So if you have created your TikTok account, then it will send you 6-digit code to your email address. But if you have created your account using mobile number, then it will send you 6-digit code on your mobile number. Now tap on Send Code button. Now in this section, type in your code. Now create your new password, which must be 8-character long and must include one letter and one number. If you want to confirm your password, tap on I icon. Now tap on Next button. Now you have successfully changed your TikTok password, and in your next login, type in your new password and log in to your account. That's how easily you can change your TikTok password. Thank you for watching, and I will be back with more videos.